Oppo Find X8 Pro is expected to launch in October in China, alongside the standard Find X8 model. The former is believed to ship with MediaTek's purported Dimensity 9400 SoC, which is yet to be unveiled. In the meanwhile, the upcoming flagship handset seems to have made its debut on the Antutu performance benchmarking platform. With 2.88 million points, the Oppo Find X8 Pro has reportedly secured the highest rank on the platform. This score includes 6,022,417 CPU points. A handset bearing the model number PKC130 has been benchmarked on Antutu, scoring 2,880,558 points. This model number is associated with the rumored Oppo Find X8 Pro, and it is claimed to be the highest mobile phone running score recorded by Antutu to date. This comprises a CPU score of 6,222,417, a GPU score of 12,088,622, and 5,019,308 in the MEM category. The UX of the handset got 4,005,211 points. The Antutu result confirms the presence of the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 SoC, coupled with 16GB of LPDDR5T RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage on the Oppo Find X8 Pro. It indicates that the handset will ship with Android 14. Oppo has yet to disclose any details about the arrival of the Find X8 Pro. A tipster earlier claimed that it would launch no sooner than October 21st. The latest listing on Antutu and several other certification platforms also suggests that the flagship phone might be not far from its debut. The Oppo Find X8 Pro is tipped to come with a 5,800 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging support. It could get an IP69 rated build. The phone could run on ColorOS 15 based Android 15.